Cantonese Style Cooked channel. My name is Martin. I hope you have a great day. Today we make a dish. It's called Cantonese Style Chicken. And the main ingredient, the Chinese name is called banquet. And the main ingredients we need chicken. You can have a whole chicken, or you can just have a chicken breast. I use a chicken breast in this dish. And ginger, two scallion. Just need probably one teaspoon, 2 tablespoons of ginger, and some cilantro. Those are the main ingredients we need for this dish. We will peel the ginger skin. Use a knife, spoon, and to scratch it and get the skin off from this ginger. We don't need the skin in this dish. Skin of this ginger in this dish. Just get the spoon. You can just scratch it, get off the skin of the ginger. You can also use a chopstick. Either is okay. Just check the skin. Okay. The skin is now we just cut this off. This will just keep it, and probably some ginger. We need to steam with some more ginger. Just cut it to big chunk, like this, big chunk. Probably this is a big chunk. Those probably 1 tablespoon. Those we just cut small. We just use not the knife side, this side of use this to chop the ginger. Don't do it too hard, just slowly to do it. Chop it very small. We use a tool to do it, to shred it. The ginger is also good. Put it into the bowl. Okay, we cut a scallion. Those scallions, we cut 2 parts. So the white parts and the root, we already wash it, pick up the dead skin, the dry skin, and we just put it here. And those ginger and those part of scallion, we use it to boil the chicken. So this part we already wash it, also wash it cleaned. So we just chop it very thin, as thin as possible. Okay, right now we just we chop it. Chop the skin as small as possible. This is we cut the cilantro. Cilantro we just with the stem part we cut it. The leaf part we keep it. And we pick up and pick the yellow part away. Yeah, just keep the green part. Just pick the good and the green cilantro, and this part we keep it. This part we keep it. At the side we use it later. The decoration, and this part we use it. We cut it. This are both we use it. We just chop it very small. Cut it as thin as possible. Just a stem. The stem part of the cilantro. The leaf part we used for the decoration. And we can chop it. Just put it into the bowl. It was the cilantro we cut it. Put on the stove. Have air. When the pot is hot, we add the peanut oil. We need to add 2 tablespoons peanut oil to it. And heat the oil until the oil is hot enough and can fry. Okay, we put a small piece into the oil to see if the oil start frying. We do this need to be get close and don't leave, because we don't want the oil get fair and start a fire. So you need to be very careful to stay here to watch the oil. Make sure the oil is hot enough. When the oil you see start frying is hot enough, and we turn off the stove and add the oil. The hot oil, very be careful, and how it to the, we cut the scallion, ginger, and cilantro. And slowly and drop into it and mix it to let those herbs and release a really good smell. We use the peanut oil because peanut oil can release a really good smell. Okay. This is the plain salt. We add probably half teaspoon plain salt to it. Don't add too much. And this much salt into it. This is the chicken soup based mixture. We add a pinch to it. Don't add too much. Okay, we mix it. Okay, this sauce will be used to dip our chickens, our Cantonese special chicken. The sauce is so good. Okay, so this sauce is done. We add 3.5 quarter of cold tap water and into the pot and turn on the stove. High fire and heat the water until the water is boiling. Remember, you add a lot of water because the water must make sure our chicken, the chicken you use, can be totally soaked into this water. Okay, when the water is boiling, we add 2 part of scallion and into the pot, and 1 tablespoon of sliced big piece of chicken. Sliced ginger, and yeah, kind of like 1 tablespoon sliced big piece of ginger into it. This is the cooking wine. We add 1 tablespoon cooking wine to it. Okay, now this is the chicken breast. We just we use some hot chicken breast and put it into this hot water and get it out and put it in the water for a few seconds and get it out and put it into the hot water, the boiling water, and get it a few seconds, get out Then do repeat it for a few times and put the chicken back to the hot water, to the boiling water. Okay, we do the same thing. 1 or 2 seconds, get out, and put it in for, then get out, and do it for a few seconds, and then get out, and put it into it. This chicken you can do the whole chicken, you can use a half chicken, or you just use a chicken breast. So this is up to you. You can have the skin on because this way to do it make the skin very tasty. Okay. Now we let the chicken cook for 1 minute. For the chicken breast, we cook for 1 minute. And to cook, let it cook for boiling for 1 minute. If it's a half chicken or whole chicken, and you need about 5 to 7 minutes to let it in the water, still heated boiling for 5 to 7 minutes. But just for the chicken breast, we just let it cook for 1 minute. So we count 1 minute. After 1 minute, and we turn off the stove and cover the lid. Cover the lid really sealed good. Never opened during the after you cover it. Never opened. Now open, and you use a timer to count for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you can open it. During this time, don't open. And you turn off the stove and let the chicken soak in this hot water for 30 minutes. And we use the soak and use the water temperature and to cook the chicken. So we're going to boiling to cook the chicken. So you need to be very careful and don't open this lid, this pot anymore. And just until after 30 minutes, you check the chicken. After 30 minutes, we open the pot. And we get the chicken out, the chicken breast out. We use a knife to poke the chicken. If there's no blood liquid or something come out, that means the chicken is fully cooked. So right now we put the chicken into the cold tap water. This water, usually you put the ice in the water to soak this chicken, cool down. I don't have the ice, so I put this cold tap water in the fridge for a few hours. So right now, so this chicken is already cooked. I soak in the cold tap water, let it cool down. You put soak in the cold tap water, let it cool down. Then we do the next step. When the chicken cool down, we put it in drain the water, the chicken. The chicken into the cutting board. And use the paper towel to dry the chicken. Okay, we dry the paper towel dry the water. This sesame oil. We rub the sesame oil on the chicken, on top of the chicken. You can use a brush decoration, it's up to you. Okay. After rubbing the sesame oil, we cut the chicken. The chicken we cut it like this, very thin. Very thin, like this. Okay, we put it like this. So put the chicken into the the plate. And cut another one. Like this. Cut it down. This one. Cut like this. So the chicken is a Cantonese style cooked chicken. This dish is mostly done. We put the chicken on top. This is the sauce we make it. The sauce we make it before we add the sauce. We can add the sauce on the top of the chicken. Add some. If the people think the sauce the flavor is not enough, they can also dip the sauce. Get some chicken. You can just put the sauce on top, or you can also get chicken dip the sauce. The chicken you can put in the fridge for probably 15 minutes. It tastes much better. After we put a sauce on, and we put our cilantro and the leaves, and on the top for the decoration. So this dish is finally done, and I hope you like it. And please subscribe, share, like, and comment. And see you next time.